It is just Regan and I today, and today we will be doing a hair braiding tutorial. And we'll be doing a waterfall braid. Okay, so let's get started.
Alright, so first I'm going to brush Rhiannon's hair.
So it's knotty.
Knots in it.
We just come home from school and so yeah. Oh. It is really knotty.
It's really long actually.
Yeah. See that guys?
It's getting very long.
I am growing it. Should we put it on the side?
Yeah, that's on the side.
Right.
There's lots of knots and tangles in your hair.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, it's probably sprayed from there. So now we have some water. Okay, so first of all, we're going to need probably a comb, but I can't find ours at the moment, so I'm using a pin. It's just to separate the first bit of hair. Your fingers will probably do as well. So, we first get that. Divide it into 3 bits, ready? So 1, 2, and 3. So we started off like a normal French braid. And then instead of picking this bit up, you leave it down. So can you hear this bit? Yeah. So then to replace this third bit that we've just dropped down here, we pick up another little bit from the bottom. Like this, and add it in. So then we keep going. So we put that bit down again, add a bit in from the top. Like a normal French braid, and drop this bottom bit. So, right, so we drop that bit, there. So to replace that, we add a bit from the bottom. We come up, keep following it down, like a normal plait, add in from the top, and drop. So we're replacing that bottom hair. So replacing that, so that goes over there. Top goes down, we add into the top, into the top, fold it over, and we drop. Yep, so just keep repeating that around the whole head.
Guys, while you're watching this, if you think of any other hair tutorials you want, just comment them below, and we should try and do them.
We sure will. So you'll find, as you can see here, that one of the bits is quite a lot smaller than the others. So that's okay, because that bit starts from here and will go all the way around. So you want to make sure that you get a decent amount of hair in the beginning, like when you begin. Yeah, so you might want that person to hold the hair so you don't get tangled. So I'll just finish it here. So you just add from the bottom to finish it. Put that bit over. Oh, sorry. Instead of adding from the top, you just put the bottom one back over and you continue on plaiting.